So here I got the rectifier. All I did was take this bracket that was already on and flip it around. Hopefully that'll be enough to keep it cool. I'll drive it around a little bit and try it. Then I took the horn harness. It was hanging out front here. Tucked it around, brought it out here. Then I'm out this mini sound blaster. Just like this. Just like that. Pretty simple. I've seen a lot of people make brackets for these. Order them online and all that, or make custom ones. All you gotta do is flip it around. Will it work? I don't know, we'll see. But that was pretty easy. 5 minutes.